Just me, my brother, and I working on a second English garden in the yard. Yes, we love to play in the dirt. And we have some Haitian music playing in the background. Okay, still have a lot more work to do. It's coming along. Yeah, that's it. Pretty nicely. Hi, Bobby. Hi, Bobby. Woohoo! Yahoo! And my daughter spray painted those little kiddie pools that I will also turn into raised garden. Alright. Happy gardening. Oh yeah, on the other side of the house is the other English garden. Let's see how things going there. The hibiscus is doing pretty well. There it is. There we go. Yeah, there's some artwork in the garden as well. Hey, who doesn't like art, huh? I think gardening is an art itself. So this is the first English garden, and we are working on a second English garden. And guess what? Mother Mary is in the garden. Jesus, the Son. Oh, Joseph and Mary. Oopsie daisy. Okay, I'm gonna have to fix that later. There's also in the garden. I'll add a little varieties to make it look a little festive when things stop blooming. Add a little more charm and color. And here, I keep this as a little bird fountain, although it's not really a bird fountain, but I turn it into a bird bath because it's been so hot. So the birdies come and drink water and take bath. And until I can figure out what, oh, look at this guy. He's so funny. Ha 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 ha. Joke's on you. Yeah, now I'm looking for ideas for a low ground cover, low growing ground cover to finish the spot here. Until then, I use recyclable flip-flops to make as the door, they're actually doormats. And that's it for now. Enjoy the evening. Bye-bye.